Thank you for joining me. Today's practice is a seated gentle warm-up, which is great to utilize prior to your regular practice, after or before your workouts. Also great if you have a few minutes to wake up the body in the morning. This will really have your body feeling great and relaxed in the early mornings. Begin seated. Big inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. 2 more times. Inhale, grab all that space. Hands to heart center. Inhale, hands overhead. Hands to heart center. Go ahead and circulate the neck. Opposite direction. Feel the clicks and ticks. Back to center. Circulate the shoulders. Opposite direction. Back to center. Begin swaying side to side for a gentle side stretch. Next, inhale chin to sky for a seated cat-cow. Exhale, navel to spine, chin to chest. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, gaze down. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, gaze down. Back to center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, left hand to the mat, right hand overhead. Next, inhale to the right, left hand overhead. Inhale back to center, hands overhead. Exhale, elbows in line with the shoulders for cactus. Inhale overhead. Exhale cactus. Begin gently twisting side to side. Release. Inhale overhead. Hands to heart center. Place your right heel beside the left hip. Place the left foot on the outside of the right thigh. Option to place your right hand to the left knee for a gentle twist. Or go ahead and inhale the right hand up overhead. Initiate the twist at the navel and place the right elbow on the outside of that left knee. Sitting tall here, gaze over that left shoulder. With each exhale, maybe have the intention to twist a little deeper, even if it's just in your mind. Option to take it deeper by placing the right arm along the left calf, so the hand is pretty much beside the left foot. Release. Go ahead and shake it out. Do whatever feels good here. When you're ready, opposite side. Sit tall here, lengthening through the spine. Feel free to hold your breath, creating space within the body. Inhaling for 3. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4 or 5. Repeating as needed. Feel free to take it deeper by placing the left arm along the right calf. Release. Rock it out, take a moment. Again, do whatever feels good here. Back to center. Hinging at the hips, lead with the chest. Take your fold, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. Allow the belly to relax here. Next inhale, take a moment to push through the hands, drawing your sit bones towards the mat. release. However your legs were crossed, go ahead and switch the legs here. And when you're ready, take your fold. Next, inhale, pushing through the hands. Again, pushing your hips back down towards the mat. Release. Take a moment here. Relax the shoulders. On your next inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Namaste.